Already I told you Mount Blue screening test and personal interview focus on Python. Now give you the detailed elements of Python. The first one is core Python. Most of you never heard of core Python. Now you might have heard core Java. Core Python is there whether you heard about it or not. Here simply I explain, this is a Python tree, 10 branches are there. The trunk of the tree, this is called core Python. Here the screening test mainly focused on core Python. In this book it is divided into 15 chapters and cover totally 300 concepts and 200 programs. And this I am providing this as a video book. Video book, that means every concept and program I have recorded as video lectures, and I am providing to you 60 hours of video lecture through DVDs. That is the core part. The second one is Python certification. Here I am going to provide you 10-in-1 service provider, online service provider to support you. That is online system. In that, for every chapter whatever you study, then and there you can write exam using international standards. By that, not only for Mount Blue, any screening test conducted by any company you can write that. Such type of capability you get. After every chapter you can write the test. There are 15 chapters. At the end of the entire thing, Eclipse certification is given to you. That is certification, but this is optional, not compulsory. If you want to achieve ultimate mastery over Python and all that, you write the test. The third one is Python subject oriented communication skills. Most of you feel that communication skills is speaking English. Okay, that is partially correct, but only thing is, if you don't have subject, if you do not know Python, if I ask you one question, how your English will be useful? So here we are focusing on subject oriented communication skills. For that separate video module we have developed. Just after this I will show it to you. Next one, Python problem solving techniques. That means problem solving techniques using Python. That means problem solving. In order to solve problems and all that, you should have analytical and logical power. Then only you can do that. That is a personal ability, mental ability. Thereafter, using Python you have to do that. So your responsibility twofold. One is analytical brain. Second one is command over Python. Command over Python, by studying core Python you get it. Really challenging, no doubt. I cannot lighten it, but only thing is I am going to provide you 300 solved problems with the videos and all that. If you daily solve 10 problems also, within 30 days you can master it. And any type of problem you can easily face, not only for Mount Blue, any screening test you can write very efficiently. And the fifth one is Python project development process. Actually, any project is composition of small modules. By achieving Python problem solving techniques, you can develop any module, and by composition of small modules, any big project can be developed. So in this way, 5 elements I am going to provide through my 100 hours of video lectures. And if you complete all the 100 hours of course, definitely you can pass, you can crack this screening test and interview in the first attempt. Daily 1 hour, as I told you, the simple study plan is daily 1 hour study and practice. Like that 100 days you study that, you can complete entire thing. You get such a sense of achievement. I feel like a master and crack any, not only Mount Blue, any screening test and face any interview effectively, no doubt about that. Already I told you, in order to face the personal interview, you must have subject oriented communication skills. Now most of you do not know how to improve subject oriented communication skills. In order to enable you to improve your subject oriented communication skills, I am providing you a video module, that is master a concept in 10 minutes. Master a concept in 10 minutes. Here in this module I am giving dozens of concepts, and you follow a technique. If you follow this technique, 100% you can get command over every concept, and you will be in a position to deliver it. That means you will be in a position to explain to others. One thing I am telling you, You own the concept. If you are the owner of anything, you can give it to somebody. Like that, own the concept. For owning concept, simple technique is there. After watching a video, you question yourself, can I explain this concept to others? If yes, proceed to the next. If you know, once again watch that until you own it. That is simple technique. It's just matter of 10 minutes. Otherwise, another time, second time or third time you watch it. This is master a concept in 10 minutes. And one more thing, in the video lectures, there are 300 videos. While you are watching videos, just you focus on that. How I can explain the concept in the same manner or better manner, then obviously you can achieve subject-oriented communication skills. That is very important in order to evolve as a leader or a trainer. Now, one more important thing I have to tell you. So far, I have been talking about beginner programmers. Some of you may feel they have good command over Python, and some people come, mainly college students, by seeing their marks in Python, they feel those are pandits. I don't know whether you are pandit or not. So here one app I am giving to you, that is Instant Programming Skill Checker. This is for 4 elements. One is Python, Java, C, and programming basics. Now our relevance is Python. So what you do, there are 5 tests. Each test is having 20 questions. The online only. This is freely provided to you, and don't without any base, don't feel that you are a pandit. Your college marks are not parameters for your mastery over the subject. That's why write these 5 tests in Python. Thereafter, if you get good marks and all that, you certify yourself you are really a pandit. Or otherwise, where you are, you can understand that is very, very important. This Instant Programming Skill Checker app I am going to provide to you as a part of this package. So far, I have explained all the details about this program, training program, meticulously without leaving anything. And if you want first-hand information and all that, already I told you, you visit the website of Mount Blue. Its ID is mountblue.io. That you visit, and mainly you focus on facts. Finally, I talk about my fee. Actually, below cost price I am offering it to you. In this, for this course, I am providing mainly 2 things. The first one is that Python all clear video book. This is totally having 15 chapters, 300 concepts and 200 programs. It is a video book. Its original price is 690 rupees, and I am providing you 10-in-1 service provider, that is online learning management system. It provides you 10 services to you, whatever are required for you. All that I am charging 980 rupees. 980 rupees. I think you may not get this type of system anywhere. That I think you know that. And here I am dividing. If you want to take, if you don't want to take that much risk also, one convenience I am going to provide to you. I divide into level 1 and level 2. Level 1, actually, if you pay 490 rupees, I give you this video book, and I activate your account for LMS and all that. All the 10 services you can get. That is level 1. Once you master, within 2 minutes, 60 days, you can master it. Thereafter, another 40 days time is there. Now, that is level 2. In level 2, you have to mainly focus on 2 things, as I told you already. That is problem solving techniques using Python. Actually, for that purpose, I am providing you 300 problems. As on the day, 300 problems. For every problem solution, I am giving a video also. It helps you a lot. Initially, you may feel difficulty, and one thing I am telling you, daily at least 10 problems you solve, then automatically you can master that. Thereafter, project development process also you can learn. Once you are good at problem solving techniques, project development process is not a big thing at all, because as I told you, any big project, any massive project you take, it is a composition of small modules. By achieving problem solving abilities and all that, you can develop modules, small modules very easily. And finally, one more thing I am telling you, all these project development process also, I am providing videos to you. 20 projects I am going to provide. If you want a live workshop for them and all that, actually 10 live workshops I offer to you, and each workshop 2 projects I explain in detail. All the relevant concepts I am going to explain. It may take around 3 hours, and I am going to charge for each live workshop 200 rupees. That means if you attend all the 20 workshop, 2000 rupees, that is individually only, depending on interest, that is totally optional, no compulsory. All those things, whatever projects I am going to explain through LMS, I am going to provide them. Whatever I explain through live workshop, the same elements are available through a recorded workshop also. That point you have to understand. If you have any doubts regarding that, you can give a mail to us to info@eclaviauniversities.com. Then, or otherwise you can give a WhatsApp message to me, then according to that I respond. And one thing, you understand each and every element in this video lecture, and you verify, you visit the Mount Blue website. Thereafter you take a decision, and you must prepare your study plan strictly according to study plan. You have to complete that. Wish you all the best.